We're gonna try a pumpkin cream. Make sure that in any candy that your pet tries, there's absolutely no xylitol. It is toxic. This one I checked up and down and there's no xylitol in it. So we're gonna try it. Can you sit? Yeah, you're excited. I don't even know if you'll like it. What do you think? Is it good? You actually like it? Get some good licks in there. It's kind of hard to chew in small bits. What do you think, Cora? Is it good? All right, we're gonna do one more try. It's kind of melting. You wanna take it? You're gonna drop it. You got it? What do you think?